what's up? We're back in Fullerton Station, doing more trains. Please subscribe. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going. Here comes the Amtrak train. I'm going to wave goodbye. Yummy, say goodbye. This train is going to San Luis Obispo. Me voy a la sombra. Hace mucho calor. This train is going to... Oh, okay, I'm going to pause it so when the train goes, okay, going to pause it for a meanwhile. Okay, the train is going. Its next stop will be LA Union Station. It will be in 30 minutes. I've been on Amtrak for so many years. Okay, I'm going to wait for I don't know how much minutes until another bnsf or metrolink train comes. Or Amtrak. Who knows? It's the beginning of the... It's not. It's the same train, Yummy. It's the same train. Okay, its next stop will be LA Union Station. That's from PBS Skits, Yummy. I do not even like PBS Skits. Okay, going to pause it to see where to save storage. Okay, I'm going to read.
Wait, William.
Huh? Okay, after these 15 minutes, we finally came across a bnsf. There's going to be a metrolink train coming in a little bit. Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh yeah, this is where I saw the train. Okay, nice. Really want to become a driver when I grow up. Really want to. It's going to go to its yard in Sismo? It's the second stop next to near Los Angeles. Union Station. Huh?
Ice?
It's not ice. It's the paint. Oopsies, I was just looking. I really love trains, I cannot know why. Two trains we have seen so far. Two trains, and I'm checking a bnsf. We're going to see three because there's going to be a train coming to Laguna. Something like that. Should be. It's going to be coming in about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh, guys, please subscribe. Okay, I know I don't have the best profile video. I'm working on it. Just please subscribe. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. Oh yeah, Pink. Wait, what did it say? I did DNF. Oh, it's stopping. It's stopping. I know why it's stopping. So to let the metrolink train go. CSX. Yeah, I think CSX. There are no CSX here in California. CSX. I always wanted to see this. CSX. Okay. There's going to be a metrolink train coming short. I just know it. My sisters and my dad. Wait, is there more or is it almost over? Yeah, it's over. Because I see the last one. It's right here the metrolink train go. I mean, vlogging the metrolink is coming. It will be coming down, coming shortly. Okay? Coming shortly. The metrolink train. Okay? Me and my sister are keeping an eye out on the metrolink train. This is our fake. This is our fake puppy. My sister.
You.
Puppy, please be nice.
Okay.
It's a pretend doggy, not real.
Look careful.
No. Okay, one time we saw a rare train, like RA rare. You know how to spell it, okay? So we saw one of these, but instead we saw one of these, and it was so large, like 3 miles. They had that much, and then there were 2 locomotives. Then they had 200 more. And then a couple months ago, we saw another BNSF. Another BNSF. I was about to pause it. No wonder.
Say hello.
3 trains. Our lucky day.
Miramos this.
Yeah, we're going to see 4. Well, that's dance. Dapat ano? Oh my god. What the, oh. I was just about to pause it. But oh my goodness, we just see another train. After 20 seconds later, after the train stops, we see another train. Yeah?
Hi, Poppy. Here is the other hi.
Say hi to my viewers. I just started YouTube a month ago. I posted 2 videos on that thing because I literally didn't know how to see my look at the tree. Oh, you cannot see it. So I posted 2 videos on that thing. 4 videos of the same thing. Posted 4 videos, but they were the same. It's because I didn't know how to check my own YouTube channel. I'm going to post it. Please subscribe so you can notify when I post another video. I don't have the proper gaming thing. Okay? So don't worry, I will make it when I'm older. The metal engine! I was again about to pause it. What the? Oh, it's coming backwards. Well, it's a metrolink train. How many trains are there going to be? Okay, I'm going to pause it until it gets a little bit closer, okay? Metrolink train. Going to Laguna. No wrong. Something like that. Okay, I'm going to pause it while it loads people and unload. It's going! We'll be going to Laguna, something like that. Say goodbye, Yami. Oh, this train will be last stop will be Laguna, something. Finished. Okay, I wonder when will another train be coming. 4. Look, the Amtrak, 2 Grandes, and yeah, I'm going to stop it and pause it for me. It's next stop. I think I'm not sure, but I think it's Anaheim. Well, no, something like that. Anaheim. Yeah, another freight train is coming.
So 5.
Wait, no, it's 6. Oh yeah, I'm going to say goodbye. Oh, it's coming this way, Yummy. It's coming this way. It's coming this way. This way. Pequito mío. This this train was long. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Sorry guys, but I have to pause it. Okay, I'm going to pause it I'm going to see when there's not another train. Okay guys, we were just up the bridge and then I just saw like a light come from that way, but over there. Okay, ignore that. Okay, if you want. Okay, so I just saw it and I told my dad, let's come because we were up this thing, and so there's going to be a train coming. I'm eating French fries and there's a train coming.
Luego le enseñarle una papa.
Se le va a antojar y va a querer comerse uno.
¿Quién, los amigos?
Pues maybe, ves que luego se paran.
Oye, mira, ahí viene el Amtrak. Please say goodbye. I want to go. Este tren va para San Diego. This train is going to San Diego. En cuanto iba a agarrar una papa, entendió se iba. ¿Sabes que hay una parada que se llama Amtrak?
¿Oh, sí? ¿Qué es mejor, así o así?
Todavía no
No,
se...
así no, así, para arriba, así.
No, estaba mirando a ver cómo se miraba.
Todavía no viene el tren que está parado.
Ya tiene como 10 minutes ahí parado. 20 minutes.
Vamos a agarrar una comida.
Pues sigue comiendo. No, yo quiero que comas. Querías comer, ahí está tu comida.
Hey, we don't think. It's a big one, I know it. But which track is it going to be? Number 1. Don't crash. Is it going to crash or what? Because there was a I think the train didn't saw us. Okay, I'm going to be going to the street so it could be a little better. Okay? There was going to be an Amtrak train coming, like in a little bit. It was going to be heading towards Los Angeles. It did not pass. Okay, I'm not doing good today. It's going to pass after this humongous train. Okay. Yeah. Huh.
Hello, everybody.
Hey.
Hello, this is mi mamilita.
Funny. Oh no! Okay guys, let's see. At 100 likes, I will try to come back, okay? I will try to come back, okay? I will try, okay? I will try at 100 likes, okay? 100, then I will make it even better, okay? I'm starting out easy. Wow. Oh wow! Oh my goodness, yummy! Oh, good thing I got this on film. Oh, guys, como que vimos la otra vez. Yummy, ¿verdad que es que en común que vimos la otra vez? Let's see. Amtrak train to LA. Oh, wow. Oye, ¿no este te llevó para allá a Las Vegas? ¿Es de él? ¿Ese tipo? Oh. A coach. Superliner. I want to see the
S y X. X se escribe IS. Y X, como la letra X.
yeah.
Escribe IX.
Huh? Opa, ¿viste que sí se le abre como la puerta, como una de la casa? I think it's leaving. No, I forgot to pause it. That's okay.
Vamos a ir a ver a cambiar por ahí. Sí, tenemos que estar tomando.
Ya tiene 21 minutes.
Sí.
¿Sí?
¿Vamos a tomar esta? ¿Quieres?
It's leaving. This is a business.
¿Vas a tomar tu soda?
No.
¿Pelusa?
¿Puedes tener mi bozal?
Ya se va. Like the radio if you missed the F59 PHI, the old locomotive of the Amtrak. You probably didn't like the video if you missed the F59 PHI, the Amtrak train locomotives, the old Amtrak train locomotive, and its next stop will be, I believe it's Anaheim. Yeah, it's Anaheim. Then after that it's Orange, then Santana, and then some next stop after us. But I'm going to pause it for a while. Okay? Well, it's an old locomotive. Have you seen, guys, my my other video that I made a couple days ago? It was the same locomotive. I'm going to pause it so I don't get enough storage film. Está parando. It's going. Its last stop will be Terry's. Okay, it's going to go. Instead of going this way, we'll be going like look, they go this way. Then there are like two tracks that go this way. That train's going to go that way where freight trains go, and this way is where Amtrak trains go. And the metrolink. Yummy, dile bye.
Y eso nomás lleva, mira, 1, 2, 3.
Lleva 4.
Nomás lleva 4.
Mira, se está cambiando de vía.
¿Sí?
Ajá. It's changing tracks porque según pa.
Mira el grasshopper.
Yeah, Mr. Grasshopper. I'm going to show you guys in a little. Oh, it's the church bell. Pa, se cambió de vía.
¿Sí?
Ajá.
Si tengo la vi,
This is my sister.